Hey there, have you ever thought how to change a column to be nullable or not nullable? Let us test it in this video, right? So I have just dropped the table and I'm creating new one. And if you see here, we have two columns. One is ID one, which is not nullable by default, and name column, which is like varchar, and by default it is nullable, which means that if you don't insert any data, it can insert the null value, right? So I just created it, and if you check it out right now, there is no data in the table. If I select, then if I just go up and insert the data, and then run the select once again, we can see that now we have a value in. Now let's try to make this name column to be not nullable and see what happens. So if we check it, it says that cannot enable null values found. This is because like we already have a null value, and then we are trying to say that this column cannot have any null values, which doesn't happen, right? So first we have to update with some value, or maybe with some default value, and then probably you can change it. Now on the same way, I would like to change this ID one to be not nullable, whereas as of now it is not nullable. And if I just run it now, and we can see that it has been modified successfully, right? However, if I just try to make it nullable once again, you can see that like we are going to get columns to be modified to null cannot be modified to null. That's the error we get. That's because the column is already nullable, and once again we're trying to make it, which doesn't work out, right? So that's all for this video.